Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a super useful update inside Unblit, which is the multiple member invite feature. This makes it really easy to add your whole team to Unblit in just a few clicks. So let me show you how it works. First, log into your Unblit account and here top right corner, you will see a profile icon or your account name. Click on that. And from the drop down, select menu. Inside the settings, you will see a tab called invite members. Click on it. Now you will see the invitation form. So just type the email address of the team members you want to invite. I'll just here add Once you added the email, just click send invite. Right away, Unblit will send an invitation email to everyone that you have added. Each person will get a temporary password and a link to the Unblit sign-in page. So Unblit will automatically creates their account for them, so they don't need to go through a long sign-up process. So what will the team members see is they will open their email and click on the link you sent. That link will take them to the sign-in page. Here they don't need to sign up, just simply type the temporary password from the email. Once they enter that, Unblit will take them straight to the reset password screen. They just need to choose a new password, confirm it and click save. So that's it, their account is activated. And on your side, once the team members accepted and set their password, you will see their status change to active. Here you can see the active status for these existing members, and the newly added email address status is showing as pending. So once the member accepted, the status will change to active inside the team member section in these settings. So you'll always know who joined and who hasn't yet. And yeah, that's how the multiple member invite feature works. It's super fast, super simple, and it helps your whole team onboarded without any confusions.